Okay, so this is the customer care team. You can call us the heartwarmers.
Yes.
What? Sorry. Okay, so today we are going to tell you how we almost lost our Moko voice while dealing with customers, but at the end of it all, we still heartwarmed them.
Warm their hands. I said to warm them.
Maybe. Talk first. I'm sure you're watching. Yeah, sorry guys. Okay. Omenda means money, yeah? Money. So I'm the senior customer care officer and there's some amazing crew.
My name is Ruth. I'm working as a customer care officer in Moko Home and Living, and I really love my job. Yeah, you can also call me Shikuku. I love my name.
Anyway, my name is Anne from Moko Home and Living, and I am a customer experience officer. Yes, you can also call me Weta.
So my name is Gary Shom. I'm famously known as Mkono juu ya hewa guy. Kila mtu mkono juu ya hewa. I'm a customer experience officer. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vivian M, a customer experience officer at Moko Home and Living. Yeah, unaweza nita Viv.
So this is part of the amazing customer care team, and today we are going to tell you about stories where we interacted with customers and we almost lost the Moko voice. But at the end of it, we warmed their heart and they eventually became part of the Moko family. Enjoy!
Okay, so you know me Williams and politics and everything, and I have this particular politician who I admire like crazy, and ilifanyika that day moja kanipigia simu. He introduced herself and I was like, wow, I can't believe this is you. Who ni wewe uniongelesha? Everybody was like,
Nikapigia simu na politician.
Yeah.
Na nasema shida zangu, nasema
so like akanipiga simu, was like, wow, ni wewe kweli ama basi labda dreaming and everything. Akasema ni mimi, akajiintroduce. Actually we introduced for very official and I liked it so much. I thought actually I'd buy like a product from us and what they thought. So mimi kadhaa hata sikuwa na expect like mimi kwa akili yangu na nimepiga simu hivi hata sema simu I'm like back like this was seriously. Sasa tukitei mwezi sitakuja the next month only to tell me that she was looking for one of his representatives kazi kwa hapo nilifeel nimeboeka. And number two, interview process yetu inakuwa easy and simple, like you took our website yetu alafu I go through the easy prompt, apply alafu nini. So maybe kwa akili yake alikuwa nadhani joke possibility ya kuna influence like sema people pop so I was so demoralized because he was somebody who I actually respected so much, and I thought maybe hata kama angefahamu mtu angenisitoa kidogo ananiambia at least na sikia mnauza hivi na hivi, hebu hata niambie kuhusu product yetu. She went straight to the point.
So I remember this client called me na alikuwa anaishi outside our delivery zone, just a bit. So na alikuwa na mattress tatu, so mimi najua 3 mattresses, and for the day I had my daily targets in the picture with just those 3 sales. So I tried to explain to the customer, do you mind coming to our last point of free delivery so that usikuwe na expenses maybe at 2,000 and you're just there. Okay, the customer started telling me stories. You know, I'm an architect. I deliver tanks minutes of lecture. Like, you know, I had to know where he works, how he works, where he delivers everything. And he decided to just think about it, but eventually he bought the battery.
Guys, let me take you to showroom days. Back that time when we had the showroom and we had this customer come. So alikuwa mtu ule amekula vizuri. Amejenga, so ameingia mfupi. So ameingia showroom, ameingia yo Joyce, ameingia so many like, hi, sasa. So he wanted a sofa. Mimi na huyo bia hapo mbio tumefanya hesabu ya sofa here, we like this is the amount of price. And it was a hot deal, it was a damn deal. So that customer akatuliza question, when are you guys going to deliver? So we said 2 weeks time. So alikuwa like 2 weeks. What do you mean? What are you thinking that is going to take 2 weeks? Every day, what are you? So like you had to explain.
He was talking through alikuwa anaongea na hiyo ni class. Yes, and this
is a London trend, but the London trend. It's not jobs. This is mathematics. So like akaniambia venye alikuwa anafanya kazi Bama. I know you guys know Bama where they make sofas, and he made so many sofas and he was making like 1 to 2 sofas a day, and he started lecturing me on how to make a frame. In my mind I was like, mwanaume tukusieko hizi maframe na mapaipa ukatengeneze kwa nyumba yako ama zidunyonge pasi. This guy just like ended up placing the order, but we had that kind of lecture. But I almost lost my voice. We didn't say that. We just like I didn't want to yeah, he bought it. It was the first sofa sale we had for Great Moko.
So I'll say about kwa showroom, I also studied in retail. So once in kwa showroom, it was my second day. So I think I'm getting all the new concepts. I'm getting all the new concepts. Nashikanisha siji sofa, kuna hii fiber, kuna hii fiber gani. So this client comes. Atakuwa client wangu wa kwanza. So niko hapo, nimesoma hizo vitu zote, niko na wa Kenya na kila kitu. So nimemwambia sofa nini, like I sold for like an hour explaining sofa, how they're made, how nini. Sijui nini. Alafu, so nikimuuliza kama we should place the order, ako like, ni mtu nilikuwa na chila na shop. So I was like, wow.
1 hour.
1 hour.
I know.
1 hour. So I was like, to me, sour. Like, you can always come back. You can,
but deep down,
I almost lost it. Yeah, but
deep down, you're gonna
feel.
Paul is jolly.
It happens.
Yeah.
Atakuja, I can assure you that.
So there was this customer we were delivering to Nakuru. So I think it took some time before we delivered. I think more than 2 days. So I think I was on phone last time. The customer only wanted to talk to you. So every time when I call and I say,
was it a ear?
A she. So the customer only wanted to talk to Gary. I'm trying to explain to her it takes 2 to 3 days to deliver. But she was like, no. You wasichana unaweza but mna follow up but you're not. But on the new sales you're not even doing it. I want to talk to Gary Shomoni. So I had to call Gary Shom to talk to the customer personally so that he can make her cool down. That is what happens. But because the time she talks to Gary, she was just fine. I was like, and she was so cool when she was talking to Gary. They did everything okay. She was ready to wait until the delivery is there. But when she was talking to me, Gary was still
As long as he gets mattress eventually. Perfect. Perfecto.
Well, that's the beauty of customers. They're all diverse.
Yeah. And the good thing is we have like 98 or 99.8% of our customers are amazing.
Yeah.
So the times we have to lose our Moko voices, hiyo kunyonge past. Ikawa sana. Yeah.
That was experience.